when we have taken the birth, as everybody knows, that we just took birth, no name. But what is must? As we all know, after living for some time, we will be definitely leaving this world. That means death is must. But when you leave this world, that is on your death, you will be having a name. How do you want to lead the life? Yes, till now I've seen so many stages in my life, so many people I interacted. So let us not discuss about people. We need to know about our life and lifestyle. Why we are comparing with others, why we are expecting from others, why we are not able to accept what is actually is the truth. When you leave this world, definitely some or other crowd will come. They will say, yes, this person lived superb, meaningful life. Those were the days. There are so many people who used to tell, like, I don't have time, I'm very busy, I'm rushing here and there and all. 1 minute also, I can't stay at home. It's nature. Accept. Will teach you definitely some more other way. Not a minute, a day, a month, more than a month is over. We all are at home. We all are safe. We are leading the life. So, what I mean to say is, as per your struggle, as per your effort, as per your knowledge, you will be getting your name. First of all, learn and accept the truth. What is your cup of tea will definitely come to you. If you are going on thinking about everything is meant for me, that is not correct. That is not going to come for you. First of all, during your childhood, in school, in college, you have to learn a lot. Even at the time, once you start earning your livelihood, do remember, if you want to lead a peaceful life, I'm not discussing about science, I'm not discussing about medicine, I'm not discussing anything about, health. But I feel your health is controlled by your emotions, the lifestyle. If you're going on thinking about others, let us take the people who are discussing about people are not happy. Whenever we discuss, we should discuss about ideas. We should discuss about how to lead a happy life. We have to make ourselves, like, you have to teach yourself. Okay, you have dreams, dream, no doubt. But to fulfill that, you are only the main person. No one will come to fulfill your dreams. Yeah, some or other way you will find so many people who say, Are why you are doing all this, why you are buying the tensions. But you know internally that you can get it. When you know that you can, you have to. N number of opportunities. Do you know what? Ask anybody, maximum of the people, 24 hours in a day, are they really leading a peaceful, happy life? Few answers will come, but many will say no. Yes, technology is there, it's giving us a lot. Then why we are not thinking about technology using in a proper way? Honestly saying, you have to develop your immunity means you have to develop your thought level. First thing is accept the truth. That means what you know, what you can do, you better know. That's it. Accept it. And another one is don't compare yourself with anybody, because that is their cup of tea and what is there for you will come to you. And another one is very important one is expectations. Why we all are expecting? Be happy, be cool. Mistakes are there, plus minus are there. In everybody's life it is there. But once you commit a mistake, don't repeat it again. And at the same time, always learn to encourage, motivate, and accept. If anybody is winning, cheer up. Tell them you can do it. And when you know that you can't do, please try to encourage others. In that encouragement, you will get a lot. Why we are like this? As you know, when we took birth, no name. But when we are dying, we are going to get a name. Honestly saying, I've seen so many people rushing here, there, and all. All of a sudden, for example, I've seen two wife and husband, those who are sitting in front of a house while it is in construction, and that person is going on thinking about like this, that, and all. But almost the construction is getting to over. In my colony itself, he died. What about his dreams? He wanted to live in that. So nothing is permanent. Whatever the wealth you are acquiring, properties you are acquiring, nothing. Why not you be happy? If you want to help, help it. If you want to encourage, encourage. If you want to motivate, motivate. Accept the truth. It may be a younger one or elder one. If they are saying something good, why don't you encourage them? Have some peace, have some love. Please understand. Don't be hurry burry. Let us take during this condition your hurry burry and all the tensions. Forget about it. You have property, you have some assets, you have some. See, I follow and I wish anybody who are in 30s, 40s, 50s, those who are earning or those who are having struggle life, think five principles in your life. What I personally feel. First thing is maximum try to decrease and avoid zero, like no liabilities in the life. Aim for it. Second one is nothing but you should have a regular income. Think about that source. After no liability, second point is regular income. You should get regular income. And the third one is maximum. Maximum you avoid with this all other social website a lot, which are influencing your mind. The technology which is influencing your mind. If it is enhancing your knowledge and all that, to some extent you use it. Otherwise, you be away with that. And the fourth one is you are married or you became parent. You are responsible. After you pass away, somebody is there to whom you gave birth. Your responsibility it is. So see that they should lead their rest of the life happily. Further, think about it. Don't make them, begging or standing on the roads. Sorry to use this, but it's your responsibility. Be responsible. That's very important. And very important fifth one is you are thinking about all right. Now think about you. You need something. You expect something. You are feeling something. You want to get something. That means you is needed. You make yourself happy. See, you went to restaurant, you're having a lot of lavish thing, but your desire is just having some chili powder, rice and oil and some onion pieces and all that. You'll get a lot of happiness. What I mean to say is you create your own world. You be in your world for the rest of the life. Whatever that you wish, you have to do it. So please think about once. Lead happy life. There are so many people who pull your legs. Don't worry about it. You will get it. Dear students, dear elders, dear human beings, and everyone, please understand. I'm not preaching. I'm telling you, quarantine time, corona time, this might have given you a good chance. Don't be depressed. For every problem, there is a solution. Yes. So think about that solution, focus on it. Don't struggle a lot. First thing is, don't compare with anybody. Next thing is, don't expect maximum. And more important, accept you are too height, you are short, you are dark, you are fair, you have abnormal health, forget about all that. Feel happy, get it happiness, make everyone be happy, make yourself happy. And coming to health, I will really say that if you are happy in all the means, definitely your health will be good. But external factors like pollution and impurity of proper food and all that definitely make your body a little bit down. So be careful about immunity level increase. And death may come anytime. Accept it. when you are leaving this world, you should question yourself. You should question, saying like, whether I'm a good human being or not, whether I discharge my duty as a son and daughter good or not, whether I discharge my duty as a husband or wife good or not, as a mother and father good or not. So you have done a lot, you have done a good thing, your soul will be really happy. Remember, you go with a good name. When somebody comes for your funeral, people should say, this person has lived like this. That is needed. So be happy, just relax, forget about all tensions. First, you solve your all problems and don't compare with anybody. Whatever that you have, you be happy. I feel so. I am getting motivated. You please think of that. Take care. The upcoming days are happy days. And do remember, don't discuss about people. Discuss about ideas. Think about places. Think about memories. Think about where to go, where to be happy. Think like that, you will definitely be happy. Never ever kill yourself. Never ever go for, killing yourself, or somebody says suicidal and all. Nothing is needed. Let the death come naturally it will come. But you invite happiness, you solve the problem. For every problem there is a solution. Students and elders and all the friends, be happy. I wish personally. God bless everyone, and I want to follow that. Be happy.